Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Hyundai Elantra Ignition. Start by disconnecting the battery and gathering the right tools to stay safe. I walk you through removing the steering column covers, locating the ignition switch, and inspecting connectors for corrosion or loose pins. I explain how to test the switch with a multimeter and when to replace the cylinder or the switch assembly for reliable starts. Start diagnosis by confirming battery health and clean terminals to rule out simple causes. Then test ignition switch continuity across accessory, run, and start positions with a multimeter to pinpoint failures. Inspect the lock cylinder for mechanical wear that binds the key or prevents electrical contact. I describe how to wiggle connectors gently to reveal intermittent faults and how to prioritize replacement parts for the fastest, most reliable repair outcome. I guide you through removing the steering column covers and labeling connectors to avoid mistakes during reassembly. Learn how to swap the ignition switch or lock cylinder while preserving anti-theft alignment and key coding tips. After installing the new component, I advise reconnecting the battery, cycling the key through positions to verify proper function, and performing a final start test to ensure the repair solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.